Hi all, welcome to the series of intro questions front-end every day. Let's see question 53. Uh, so the question is, what is the exports and module difference between exports and module exports in CommonJS? These two of them can be used for exporting variables or classes from a CommonJS module to another module. Okay, all the two can be used. But when each one of them can be used and when each one of them cannot be used, we will see now. Okay. Uh, Ideally, okay, module, the module keyword in a module file will have a exports variable. If I want to show you, I can show you. Maybe I can go to this file. Oh, this is okay. Okay. So let's try to print the module. Okay, what is present in module so that I can show you. Okay. Now if I execute, we will see what is present in module. So this is what is present in module. Okay. So this is the module is present in all CommonJS modules. Okay. It is a private variable. Okay. And if you see here, all the module have a export variable. So to this only we are adding whatever needs to be exported from this module to another module. Okay. So So this can be populated by both module.exports and exports. Okay, this can be both can be used to populate this one so that it gets exported to the another module. But there are certain differences. Okay, the module exports when it can be used is if you want to just add a single object, variable or class, you can use module.export. Exports is mainly used for adding multiple values like exports.a, b. You want to add multiple things into the export object, you can use exports. Okay. Another big difference, both as I told you, both refers to the same export object. So both is pointing referring to the same object, export object. So it populates that value. But there is one difference, like the module.exports can be directly assigned to your object. Okay, but exports cannot be directly assigned. It should be assigned like exports.a equal to 10, export.b equal to 20. It cannot be directly assigned a value. It can be assigned only using a variable. Okay, and the other thing is what gets exported to the another module is module.export. So whatever the module.export is only directly exported to another module. The exports is not returned by require. The exports object, whatever you add it is just added to the same object, but that is not getting returned. Okay. So we normally use it in these ways. Module.export equal to user exports.a. This is what I told. It can be done only using variables. It cannot be done using you can't directly assign a value to exports. But in case of module exports, you can directly assign a value. Okay. The other great difference is, uh, okay, then, I think but the issues you should understand. Okay, when you do like this, right? Exports.foo equal to foo, and you in the maybe in subsequent lines you put replace the module.exports with any other value. Okay, this will get ignored. The foo value will not be present in the exports. Okay. Other thing, as I told you, you can't directly assign a value that will not be get added to the exports variable. We can see it here. Okay, maybe I have a child and parent. Okay, okay, maybe now let me add b to just do exports.b equal to a and b 10, I am adding it to the child. Okay, this is a CommonJS module. Okay, the CommonJS module. In the parent, I require the child module, and I will try to print this console. Okay. The exported value. Okay. So now let's try to print node parent.js. Okay. Now we should be able to see this got exported. Now let's print it, and you will see the exported value, right? Because it got exported from the child, and parent is able to see that exported value. Now if I do module.exports, I replace the value with C of 20. Now what will happen? Since it got replaced, this value will all be ignored in the exported value. Okay, let's see that. Now if I print node parent.js, you will see it has only C of 20. The value which was exported by B got completely replaced. So that's why only we told, like, whatever the value is present in module.export is only exported to the other module. Okay, if, what you have it in exports is not added, but it will be added if we don't replace, but yeah, add a value using module.export. In that case it will be added. Okay, let me see now. If you print now the value, both the values are added. You can see it here, right? So once you replace the module.exports, that value, the whatever value added with the exports will be ignored. Okay, and the other thing you need to understand is, if you add directly right to exports, what will happen is that value will never get exported. So you should always add it with a variable. Okay, if I add now, you can see it is an empty value. Even though it has a value, it is an empty value. So you can't directly replace the value in case of exports. You can directly replace the value in case of module.exports only. Okay. Okay, these are the issues I pointed out here. So hope now these differences are clear. So as I told you, for single class variable and function, it is better to use module.exports. For multiple, it is better to use exports but with a variable. You can directly replace in case of module.exports, but you cannot directly replace in case of exports. If you directly replace, it will be just an empty module. Okay, and what comes to the other module, what gets required is always module.exports, not exports. Okay, so you should be very careful. You should always add exports with a variable, and if you are mixing both the exports and module.exports, you should be careful that you are not replacing the module.exports value. Hope this is clear. Thank you.